Jai Parmeshwar. Welcome you all for welfare of the world, my dear all world family, youngers and elders. We all people as well as scientists are very concerned about future life of our children. It's getting worse day by day. Many kind of pandemic are coming to kill human lives on our planet. Recently, deadly coronavirus killing whole world. Even now, all countries with modern weapons have succumbed to this virus. And day by day, new pandemic are coming to kill human lives. So we have to know something about nature, rules and regulation, automatic system. If we did not pay attention to the rules and regulation of automatic system, nature system, there could be a bigger problem in future. For welfare of the world, today I would like to talk about rules and regulations of nature. The action of the sun always rising and setting goes on continuously. So there will be rules and regulations to maintain this automatic system, which we can verify by our eyes. There is three kind of formation which created by nature on our planet. First is vegetation, trees and plant. Second is species subaerial, animals and birds. And third is human. Now we should know how these three kind of formation are working and what is their duty. First is vegetations. Vegetation are whole life, giving us fruit, sweet, juices, vegetables, oxygen, medicine and many kind of valuable things, all free of cost. All live animal and people as well as bird are thriving because of vegetation. Vegetation is only can make good environment as well as charming beautiful scenery. After death of the vegetation, they give us dry woods for make shoe. They give us dry woods for make the table, doors and medicine kind of things. Second formation is species variance, all animal and birds. The horses, elephant, cow, goat, sheep, donkey, camel, like many kind of animal nature has created. Animal whole life helping us for farming, riding, village and lot of other work and giving us milk, yogurt, butter and other things for good health. And after that their skin for making shoe, bag, belts kind of things, giving us free of cost as a charity. All first and second formation are doing their benevolence duty with selfless as charity. This all nature has created for human happiness and comfort lives. Third formation of creator is human. We are the third formation of nature. The human has enough mind to understand what is the right and wrong. So only human, only people are wearing cloth. After enjoy this beautiful comfy creation, we have to take care of nature, climate and we have to save all creation from unnatural harm. It's our duty that we have to save animal and vegetation who are in trouble. That is greatest truth on this planet. That is greatest trust on this planet. Nobody is immortal. Everybody has to die a day. But the rules of the nature indicate that only death can occur after mature age is natural death. Death is greatest truth on this planet. Everybody has to die a day. But the rules of the nature indicate that only death can occur after mature age is natural death. So what is the mature age? I will try to explain you as natural examples. Nature has given lifespan to every subaerial, like dogs 12 to 16 years, horses 25 to 40 years, cows 40 to 60 years, and camel 40 to 60 years, elephant 70 to 80 years, peacock 40 to 50 years, human people life is 100 to 150 years. This is the lifespan just for example. Now I want to give you example lifespan by the nature. I am giving you example of the tree leaf. The leaf itself fell from the tree when it's completely faded, completely dried. It is the natural mature life of leaf. And if breaks with selfish people or by windstorm, that's not mature age of leaves. People also becoming old, then they looks their skin faded and sticked with bones. They have completed their age more than 100 years, and they have saw their grandchildren by their eyes. Then if anyone goes dead, it's natural death. We are sad but aside glad that any of our grandparents who passed away after complete their age of life. So now we understand what is the mature age of life, and we can understand what is the law of the nature about the mature age. We all human as an animal giving birth our children, then we save their lives, but we never try to kill their lives by own. Same as well, we are all children of nature, children of creator. So nature has created everything wealthy and comfy lives for us. As we never try to kill our own children, then how nature will try to kill their children in very young ages? Why nature will try to ruin their own garden? Because nowadays people are dying in very young age. Some died before birth in mother's stomach, some after birth, few days, few months, or few years. Goes died. If they complete their age, mature age, then dying, then can understand. But if any young son, young daughter goes die, then we feel very, very much sorrow. And nowadays, not only before father, son are dying, although kids are dying before grandparents. This is the huge question. I have told you that everyone will go die, but after complete age, that's natural death. Who is killing to us in very young age? This is the question. But we are all going to blame nature because we don't know about rules and regulations of nature system. So we blaming to nature. We drinking water, breathing and eating meals from meals to live. But now water, air, food all polluted. It's poison now because of chemicals. This pollution is not done by nature. Nature is very kind. I am giving you examples. Before a childbirth, creator arranging milk for newborn baby. because Creator knows that newborn baby will not have teeth in the mouth. This must very kind. Dear Creator, how can we think about that Creator is killing two people in raw young age? After spend complete mature age of life, then can understand. But raw age, dying is a huge question. Death of raw young age is against the law of the automatic system of nature. But we are blaming to nature system only, which is the wrong. Because we have to understand nature system is life. Yes, nature system is life. Nature of system only drinking water by raining. Then all vegetation are growing. And through the vegetation all subaerial are thriving. This is the automatic system is working in the same way that our body feeds. Then our body grow. Same this earth, automatic natural system also drinking water by raining. Through that earth is growing petrol, mineral, kind of many things developing inside body of the earth. And vegetation growing on the body of the earth is constantly working. It's constantly working. We are people on the same planet. We eating, breathing and drinking from same nature, global environment. So first of us we need to recognize ourselves that we are all a family on this planet. Then why we feeling different? Nature does not discriminate with anyone. Then why? Then who teaches us this? Anybody till they died have not taken anything, all left here. As now we understood that we are a family, then how our mind goes to harm to others? Just because we have forget rules and regulations of nature and our duty. Just like vegetation and species subaerial, they are doing their benevolence duty, but human has forget their duty. So we have to recognize our duty and we need to follow rules and regulations of nature. Artificial development is the cause of destructions. We will know more in the next video to carefully how to keep our planet safe from pandemic and other unnatural harm. How to save environment. Thank you very much for your time, for listen for our children future life. Kindly like and share for next video to save entire world. This is the big question that save entire world. So we have to make our mind broad. Our mind pipeline we need to make broad to understand. We can save our whole world. So we have to understand rules and regulations of our nature. Thank you very much.